Welcome to your first historical reference, Journey Around the Planet. Geography Nablus occupies a strategically important location where two ancient trade routes intersect, one connecting the Sharon coastal plain to the Jordan Valley, and the other linking Nablus to the Galilee in the north and biblical Judea to the south through mountainous terrain. Situated at an elevation of approximately 550 meters, 1,800 ft, above sea level, Nablus is nestled in a narrow valley running roughly east-west between two mountains. Mount Ebal to the north, towering at 940 meters, 3,080 ft, and Mount Gerizim to the south, reaching a height of 881 meters, 2,990. Nablus is positioned 42 kilometers, 26 midars, east of Tel Aviv, Israel, 110 kilometers, 68 minars, west of Amman, Jordan, and 63 kilometers, 39 meriks, north of Jerusalem. Surrounding cities and towns include Huwara and Aqraba to the south, Beit Furik to the southeast, Taman to the northeast, Asira ash-Shamalia to the north, and Kafr Kadum and Tel to the west. Old City. At the heart of Nablus lies its historic Old City, comprised of 6 major quarters: Yasmina, Garb, Karyun, Aqaba, Caesarea, and Habala. The largest of these is Habala, which has experienced population growth leading to the emergence of 2 smaller neighborhoods, Al-Arda and Tal al-Krim. The Old City is densely populated, with prominent families such as the Nimrs, Tukans, and Abd al-Hadis. Notable landmarks include the fortress-like Abd al-Hadi Palace in Karyun, along with the Nimr Hall and the Tukan Palace in the city center. The Old City also boasts several mosques, including the Great Mosque of Nablus, An-Nasr Mosque, Al-Tina Mosque, Al-Qadra Mosque, Hanbali Mosque, Al-Anbiya Mosque, and Ajaj Mosque, among others. 6 Turkish baths, hammams, are scattered throughout the Old City, with notable ones including Al-Shifa, built by the Tukans in 1624, and Al-Hana in Yasmina, constructed in the 19th century. Additionally, the Old City streets are lined with leather tanneries, souks, pottery workshops, and textile shops. Notable landmarks within the Old City include the 15th century Khan al-Tujar Caravanserai and the Manara Clock Tower, erected in 1906. Panorama of Nablus. Climate Nablus experiences a relatively temperate Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot, dry summers and cool, rainy winters. Spring typically arrives around March-April, with the hottest months being July and August, when temperatures average around 29.6 degrees C, 85.3 degrees. January tends to be the coldest month, with temperatures averaging 6.2 degrees C, 43.2 degrees. Rainfall is concentrated between October and March, with an average annual precipitation of approximately 656 millimeters, 25.8 in. Population historical records provide insight into the demographic evolution of Nablus. In 1596, the population included 806 Muslim households, 20 Samaritan households, 18 Christian households, and 15 Jewish households. By 1849, local Ottoman authorities estimated a population of around 20,000 residents. Subsequent records from 1867 and the British Census of Palestine in 1922 indicate fluctuations in population size, with varying religious demographics. According to the Palestinian Central Bureau of Statistics, PCBS, Nablus had a population of 126,132 in 2007, with the Old City alone housing around 12,000 residents. Approximately 40% of Nablus Governor, 8's inhabitants, reside in the city, with nearly half of the population being under 20 years old. The world's first historical reference was with you, Journey Around the Planet. Join us on a journey through the heart of Nablus and gain a deeper understanding of this captivating city. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insightful content on travel and culture.